Hello, we made it to Kurumba Maldives. I'm staying in a deluxe bungalow, so I'll show you what it looks like in my room right now. Got a little pantry area and some wardrobe space. And then here you've got a really nice bathroom. Now if you want to bathe, there's 3 different ways you can do it. One is a normal shower area. Another one is a really nice bathtub over here. And then out there is where you can do like a rain shower, an outdoor rain shower. So if you go outside, this is what it feels like. Really nice and quiet. I'll show you the rest of the room. This is the room that I've got. It's got a nice king size bed. So it probably fits about 2 people, and then you can always put some extra beds here if you want. I've got my little mermaid doll chilling over there already. Also got a seating area and a desk. And if you come out this way, it's a really nice view of the beach and a nice place to sit as well. Taking a bath now. Almost ready. I've got this little setup right here. Little mermaid chilling over there. And it's really nice. Look at this. This was a cake that the staff delivered to me last night at 10 p.m. I was sleeping actually, and then there was a knock on the door. And they delivered this, and that was really sweet of them. Okay. Housekeeping kicked me out of the room because they're gonna, oh my god. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, happy birthday. Oh, they've gone. Oh, I didn't even say thank you. Oh. That's so sweet.